For you to know how criminal inclined Tinubu is. For you.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this video to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this particular video here is for you guys to share it. So as a Biafran that you are, do not forget to share, because this boy that you are seeing on my screen like this just break something serious here that I want all the genuine Biafrans to just calm down and listen, because this man is making a lot of sense. So don't miss this particular video, and do not forget to share, because this man exposed everything where they go on now in Nigeria, especially in Biafra land. And if you are youth that wish to travel this December or January, my brother, pray before going, because land is not, ground is not good. So pray before traveling, because a lot of things is happening right now. So share this videos to save lives and property, because this man don't break everything into 5. And I want you guys to just calm down and listen to him, because he's saying the truth. One love.
Igbo, this information is for you. Don't take it for granted. Take it to your different village WhatsApp groups. Make una no talk say I no bring information, because this coming from a good source from Benue. Ndi anu wana ebushi ndi banyi hana ebuzi ngwa ha bata obodo. As I'm talking to you now, ngwa ha na bata obodo anyi on a daily. Where be say from 2026 they will unleash it. They will unleash terror on us. Most especially in the Enugu. Ndi nwere boundary with Benue State. Be on a red alert. Imako to equip your vigilantes, people that will safeguard your community. Because Mbabu no battle Enugu, may escalate to everywhere. So the earlier you know this, the better. Nda no battle obodo. A battle obodo. Oto anu waka. All this big truck nation ugu na bata. Oto aka na smuggle in. Ngwa ha yejida no sa anya ogu. Nsogbu di n'obodo. If you don't know as an Igbo man that you are hated in Nigeria, know it today. This information, don't take it for granted. Don't take this information for granted. You must go to equip your village people for them to secure your community. Go and equip them. Because very soon they will unleash terror on us. On later Christmas. We don't get a meeting. We don't make a meeting. Because here I am in Ugu. We be the one that can ya can job. When I be saved, police said I be saved, and that be quite saved. So that's the main reason why this information, Bukweria will get ending on Uno. Ndugu ne bukwe mboa na abata obodo. Ndi funali terrorists, bandits, utaka hana abata every day. Atoro maromara, atoro fekoferi shinofia. For you to know how criminal inclined Tinubu is, for you to know how a fraudster. See, EFCC should be looking for Tinubu to arrest. EFCC should be looking for Tinubu to arrest, because this man is a criminal. A well-known, drug dealer. We all know. This man, we don't get everything now all about forge. This man forged certificates. Saying go Chicago University. Then bring out your classmates. Me, I go university, I get classmates. Even tomorrow they go come. How can you go to a school and you don't have people that know you in that school? Tinubu is a thief, a criminal, a well-known drug leader. This man have bastardized the economy of a whole country. He never won the election. Tinubu did not win the election in 2023. We all know it. This guy is a drug baron. He even forged the tax law he presented to the Senate. This man is a thief. Tinubu is allegedly a thief and a drug baron. How can we be allowing a drug baron allegedly to be at the helm of affair, #1 citizen of a country? That's the main reason why Nigerians are not being respected again in this country, because of one man. Since Tinubu became the president of this country, we've never seen peace. Bandits, terrorists everywhere. APC government destroying the people. What can you do now? In 2027, if you see where APC they campaign, attack them. It's high time we take our country back because Tinubu is bent on destroying. Hey, I don't die.
Please, stand there so that you will appear properly.
Make una dey watch our own giant of Africa, the kind of aircraft where we get. Hey, 1942 aircraft. Please, I beg you, in the name of God, the commander, whosoever the person may be, the commander or the marshal or the person in charge of air force or our government, please, for the sake of these soldiers, their children and their wife, their family, I beg, allow these people, as they land for Ghana now, allow them to take GUO through road and go back to Nigeria. Make them not follow this flight again. Flight Siri, Nigeria, no, they Portugal. I beg, make una, let us analyze this video. This flight, the Kihageru, Portugal, 6 hours flight. Flight, Portugal. The way engine says, hey! All in a Abuja, all of these flights are MM1 or MM2. Apak the old cheer, Miliso or my Auncha or my Eba Hopak news or MM1 or MM2 in a Abuja, Eba flight Abuja. All of those flights are back to Eba. Milina ama ke ye je wa ka dike do ya gagagam play evidence gagagam de ka ochie je reta nwara a repair we cha plug we fuel border plug apu pocha da plug we iron cable feature plug waka mba high be na one room face me and face you if feature the plug like this see plug we tie na plus na tight here. To a to siaso may start here to a general siaso. And no pilot the army or the air force na ritu. No sound. Hey! I got a go you turn. See Burkina Faso. Touch a boy, I land the again. Or land the Ghana. Unas na hold the plane now. Nobody should arrest them. I beg you guys. Any country plan now make the mistake land there, make una no arrest them. I know why they beg. I beg. And why they play now? It is not by their fault. Now I have seen reason why Burkina Faso hold these people for 11 days. And if you ask me, I would have said that it is not their fault. It's never the fault of the pilot. It's never the fault of the crew. It's never the fault of the Air Force people. It is the fault of the aircraft or the Roma. Or they crash. Because this emergency landed in Burkina Faso. They don't have any bad interest, if you ask me. Ho-ha! These people want a bad interest because in here, emergency landing. Open a flight when I want to land on Burkina Faso. He can do who die. What the end to two? It's they go do 1942 aircraft. I can use one in the giant of Africa. Nobody should blame these soldiers. Nobody should blame the pilot. They don't have any bad intention. Now I know the reason why they landed the emergency. They don't get any bad intention because I'm a good analyst. Flight here at the flight no good. The aircraft no good. The only way to secure the life of these soldiers is to land any place of not airport. As long as they land there and that also land in land as long as they also land in the desert. Everybody land there because the way these flights were now all land there anyhow. okay, I agwa na aju blue flight na Nigeria. No, oro news ko ya agba. Now, they release and that true Nigeria kana. Nobody should comment anything. They're wrong here. This aircraft are true Nigeria ko na man never gonna route to Burkina Faso. He can see here where barre Ghana because Ghana na Burkina Faso did so. He can see about Ghana we making we go U-turn but about Lagos. U-turn can down there we na bless them here na land. The crew, the army never had say pilot land. Pilot now say where I go land? Land anywhere. Where I go land? Pilot land. If you don't land, I land. Pilot here na na go window na fan. Pilot land. Pilot have no option than to do what? Land. And I say, where I go land? Anywhere you see, land. Or say, I see Atlantic Ocean. Land. I say, land. And you walk here. Land. You have to sound the plane. Land the pilots. Pilot, I'm going to land. True. I'm going to go to land. You know, Atlantic Ocean going to land here. But obviously, that's what I say now. With the speed, with the top lens, flight. And once you hear any force of gravity in engine, flight. You know, mbona bado kazi alikuwa bazima na afusi wako na afukazi ururu wako na anya we man here the content o man here bona ada o baze we dey do to compass nye baze buere baze here o dey be emergency ga land na Ghana ihe ya kara flight ya mmabe enos na Ghana ebe a eje na mbuko obosi kpọta nde iron condemn bịa were oxygen and acetylene we be gịnị is a flight I reckon na young condemn. See how when I move for flight again. As a comedy prophet mbu. I move for flight here. Na. No na about Lagos. No na Atlantic Ocean. I beg the life of this soldier is very important because they are innocent. I keep on saying that these people are innocent. They don't have any only have no be. True. How they Portugal. Man, any flight they Portugal. I have a long way to go. Never flight, I Portugal. Oh, and if that guy na Tinubu goes winter, nothing na monso. Band them Allah Hakubak Alhamdulillah. Everybody, nothing na monso. Goes land the land. Naguna. We then also will reach a ban GU on the road and about a because they're here forever. I want to key again. I start here, jet here again. Jet here start, you know. I want to start here, jet here again. Jet here, making it. Okay, start Kanga, Muriya Muda, here the soldier. You don't know the Mumbai. Go and see your family. We're in the road, or we're in the jogging. Nabane kita jene for family unu ya chineke merunu mama chineke to merunu amara ekuchapam